Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And Miss Christiana.
Hi.
And Miss Rachel.
Hi.
And Mr. Carter.
Hi.
Oh, boys and girls.
What are we making?
We're going to be making Cashew Nuggets.
Yeah.
Ooh, and it's a really healthy sweet treat. What do you think about that?
Cool.
Yeah? And who likes to use a blender?
Me.
Boys and girls, have you ever used a blender before? They're fun. Sometimes you may have to hold your ears because sometimes it gets a little loud, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But that's okay. We can just talk a little louder, can't we?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's get started. What do I have here, boys and girls? What's this? A recipe. Now, why would I need a recipe? I cook all the time.
Because if you don't have a recipe, you might have not made it before, so you might not know what to put in.
Very good, Ben. And and you really need to follow your recipe really good, don't you?
Because it won't taste good.
That's right, Carter. So, boys and girls, get your mommies and daddies or an adult to help you so you can read your recipe and you can follow it closely. And you can watch, and we'll teach you how to use your measuring cups and your measuring spoons. And make sure you don't use any of this, a blender or any equipment in the kitchen without an adult. That's right, Ben. Because safety first, right?
Uh-huh.
And also, there's something else you should do before you start cooking. What do you think you should do?
Wash your hands.
Oh, yes! I was going to give you a hint. That would have really helped you all, wouldn't it? If I'd have gone like this.
I wash my hands.
That's right. So you need to make sure that you wash your hands, boys and girls. Okay? So you, Rachel, you and Carter will share this blender. And I'll put it on for you. And Christiana, you and Ben will share this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's take our lids off. And I'll read you the first ingredient. Carter, you want to measure, I need 2/3 cup of cashews. Now, when you need 2/3 cup, what would that be?
2 of these.
2 of what?
You do 1 and then 2.
Of the 1/3 cup.
So you do it 2
That's
times.
so, boys and girls, look for your 1/3 cup, and you're going to do 2 of them. And Christiana and Rachel, you're going to do a 1/3 cup of our oats. So your 1/3 cup was hiding.
Do I put it in here?
Nope, put it in the blender.
How many? Can I put a 1/3
1. And
window, Miss Cinda?
yes, thank you, Ben. And boys and girls, it's I want you to watch Christiana. Look how she's measuring. Use the flat end of your knife, and that way you can make sure you get a nice even. Yes, very good, Rachel. Now can you use your
Yeah. A walnut got in there.
Who's ever eaten a raw cashew, a cashew by itself?
I have.
It's good, isn't it?
And it's healthy for you.
It is, isn't it? And it's really going to be good in this recipe.
What next, Miss Cinda?
Okay, let me finish helping Rachel. Here, Rachel, let's put a little bit more in there for you. There you go. And always use, very good. Always use the flat end of your knife, boys and girls. Good job. 1 in there. Okay, now you're going to need, we're going to blend that up first by itself. We're going to blend this up. So put your lids on and always wait until I say go, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Is this one, Miss Cinda?
Yeah, you can try that. You can do that one first. Okay, go. You want it to get kind of like a flour. All right, you're done, Ben. Okay, you're done, Carter. Good job. Now I'm going to, you know what? Ben, could you go in the cupboard by the sink over there and get me a couple spatulas? Because so that I can reach down in here, and also we're going to need that to when we actually take this out of the blender. I'm sorry, guys, I forgot to put that in.
There's a big hole in there.
There is. Look at it, made a big hole in there. And you know what I'm going to do now?
Cinda.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. So see, now, do you see what I did? So now look what's in there. Still big chunks of nuts, isn't it? Yeah, so boys and girls, we need to blend it up one more time. Can you see that, Ben? See the big chunks of nuts? So we need to put our lids on again.
Yeah, because if you don't put the lids on, then it'll go all over.
Oh, it'll get all over everywhere.
Cinda, you ready?
Okay, you ready? Go. Okay, I think that's good. You turn them off. You can turn them off now.
We couldn't hear you.
I know.
They were too loud.
Okay, now let's see. Our recipe says we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of agave. So maybe let the girls hold the tablespoon
bowl?
and you boys can pour it.
in here?
No, in here. But thank you for asking, Ben, because that really, I wasn't clear on that, was I? Okay, now boys, you're going to put 2.5 tablespoons. Okay? Oh, you got to share. We just have one agave. Let me help you. I was like, what are you waiting for, Ben? Why aren't you pouring? Do you know what you can do while you're waiting? You're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So here, Christiana, change to the teaspoon and let Ben fill it up. So you're going to do 2.5. Okay, let her dump that in.
Do we do of these?
So do another one.
Oopsies.
Oh, that's okay, Ben. That's why I got you a towel.
Okay.
Whoa! You know what, Ben? Run to the kitchen sink and get a wet rag and we can wash it up. Because what does Miss Cinda say about messes?
You only had fun cleaning it up.
That's right. We'll have fun cleaning it up. It's okay, boys and girls. We want to have fun in the kitchen. Accidents happen. It's okay. We'll just clean it up. And you know what? Now we'll have a clean floor because Ben's going to wash the floor for us. And then, Ben, you can just take your rag back to the kitchen sink. Go ahead. You can get it all. And then you can I'll get you some paper towels, too. And then you can take it back. And there.
Miss Cinda, we do have fun cleaning up.
We do, don't we? See, messes aren't a problem. I put some paper towels down for you. Messes aren't a problem. Okay, did you get 2.5, Carter?
We did
2? Okay, do a half of a one. Fill it half full because you want 2.5. Now, can you go wash your hands, please, at this kitchen sink?
Okay.
Because I want to make sure since we were on the floor.
We already did 2 full ones of those.
I know, now, but you need a half of one now. 2.5.
Okay.
The little tricky, Carter, just where it looks, just kind of eyeball it. Look at your, there you go, that's a half. Okay, thank you, Ben.
You're welcome.
Okay, there you go. Now, 2.5. And you can switch to your teaspoon and put in a teaspoon of this. Now, be careful with the vanilla because it pours out fast and it could go over the floor.
Yeah.
And also, boys and girls, that'll help teach us all a lesson. Whenever you finish something, you need to close the lid on it right away. So that if it does fall on, if it does fall on, wow, that is hard. If it does fall on the floor, it won't spill, huh?
Uh-huh.
So close the lid right away.
Hey, look.
1.
I did it.
Just 1. Ben, how many agaves did you put in?
1.
You need 2.5.
Okay.
2 and let's see, I can do a half of a finger. There you go, Ben. 2.5. It's kind of hard to do a half.
You did 2 full ones and 1 medium.
Yes. Okay, let's make sure we got everything. That's all we put in, boys and girls. Isn't that easy? Okay, put your lid on, Carter. Okay, When you're all finished, put your lid on. You did 2.5?
Yep.
Okay, good job. Okay, put your lid on. Okay, gentlemen, start your engines. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Carter, turn yours off. You can turn yours off, Ben. Now, let's take your spatula and let's scrape the sides a little bit, okay?
Scrape the sides.
There you go. Okay, let's...
Just get it on.
Okay, start it again, guys.
Start your engines!
Oh, look how it's starting to form a dough. Okay, turn it off. Let's start it again.
Cinda, could we start ours again?
Yes, you may. Thank you for asking, Ben. Okay, start it. Okay, turn it off. Okay, mix it up a little bit more. See how it's starting to form a ball, boys and girls? It's almost ready. Oh, and we're going to form it into balls, and we get to eat it right away. Yeah. We're going to form it into little nuggets. Oh, there it goes. A little bit more. How's yours doing? Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. We need to form this into little balls yet. Okay, you guys, let me do it one more time. There we go. Okay, you guys, take this out. Can you guys, Rachel, you hold this. You hold it and you take it out. Let's see how yours doing. And boys and girls, different blenders will take longer. Like this blender's taking a little bit longer. And so you just have to be patient.
It looks like peanut butter at the bottom.
That's right. You just have to be patient with your blender. There we go. Yours is done. Okay. You want to scrape? Whoa. Scrape it out. Yes, Christiana?
Ben forgot the lid when he was turning it on.
What?
So we almost sprayed all over the place.
Oh! We almost had a problem, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
Okay, boys and girls. Christiana, can you hold this? Because Miss Cinda's got some in the refrigerator. I want you to see what they look like. Because this is what you're going to be making. You're going to be mixing your carob chips with this. And then you're going to maybe making them into little balls. And they're ready to eat. Who wants to try one?
Me.
We'll put this down and I'll help you guys get this out. But that way you can try it. So what you're going to do, is, boys and girls, is here, Ben. You're going to mix it with your carob chips and then form little balls. You want to try it? Doesn't it look good? Is it? Oh, that was our kitchen timer? Oh, no. We're all out of time, boys and girls. Remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.